Introduction about biomethane. Biomethane is a renewable natural gas obtained from biomass. It is derived from biogas, which is produced through the anaerobic digestion of organic matter such as sewage, landfill, food waste, etc. Chemically, biomethane is identical to natural gas formed from the decomposition of dead animals and plant materials stored deep in the ground. Biomethane is produced naturally by the decomposition of organic substances, especially from landfilling. Methane is a major greenhouse gas and its emission to atmosphere can cause global warming. Biomethane generation reduces the chances of emission of methane to atmosphere by utilizing it in a useful manner. It also helps in the proper utilization of waste materials and thus reduces the need for landfilling. Natural gas obtained from fossil fuel can be replaced by biomethane for various applications since both are chemically identical. Biomethane can be used for electricity generation, water heating, space heating, cooking, and also can be used as vehicle fuel. Feedstock for biomethane generation. All types of biomass feedstock can be utilized for biomethane production. However, organic waste material is considered as a potential feedstock. Animal manure, municipal solid waste, sewage sludge, food waste, and crops are the common feedstock used for biomethane generation. We discuss each feedstock briefly one by one. Animal manure. Animal manure is a mixture of feces and urine. It is one of the most common feedstock used for biomethane production and can be collected in large quantities from cattle farms. The composition of animal manure mainly depends on the feed consumed by the animal. In general, it is composed of lignocellulose, polysaccharides, proteins, and other biomaterial. Municipal solid waste. Municipal solid waste is a mixture of both organic and inorganic waste. It mainly contains waste material such as food residue, wood waste, paper, textiles, plastics, etc. Among these, food waste is the predominant fraction of municipal solid waste. Separation of organic waste from the inorganic waste is important to provide good quality feedstock for biomethane production. The organic fraction of municipal solid waste is characterized by high moisture content and high degree of biodegradability. Crops and crop residues. Different types of cereal crops, perennial grasses, and forage crops are found to be a potential feedstock for biomethane production. Non-food crops are preferred over food crops. Biogas produced from Jatropha carcass press cake is found to be 60% higher than that of cattle dung and it contained about 66% of methane. Various crop residues such as cotton, maize, and rice residues are also used for biomethane production. However, lignocellulosic biomass has a poor biodegradability and biogas production. Pre-treatment of lignocellulosic biomass can improve its biodegradability and biogas production. Sewage sludge. Large amount of sewage sludge is produced in urban area all around the world. The major components of sewage sludge show a high biodegradability and thus can be utilized for biomethane production. This is also a best means of wastewater treatment.